In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create your own presets with CORIOview in dynamic mode. So we've already seen across the top, here are all my default presets. And I can fire them off, and then this is great for a little security room, but just say, for example, my laptop, which is on E, down the bottom right there, that has got to be on every preset. At the moment, it only appears once I get onto preset 5 and 6. So what's really neat is I can edit these presets. So if I go allow editing at the top, I can now edit these. So this one is going to be my laptop. So that's updated. And then I'm just going to go through and create all these. And you see I've now put one, and now I can add a second. So on this one, I want my NASA feed to be the second one. So you can see on here, it's now E and F. And I'm just going to do the third one, but you get the idea how this works. So it's going to be Mark's laptop. And in this one, I want to see what David and Darren have to say as well. So I could create all of these and then go finish editing, and those are now on my unit. So I'll just go down to preset 6. This is default one, and let's go back up to the top. I haven't saved any of these, I've just updated them onto the unit. So the first preset is my PC, second is going to be my PC and NASA, and then so forth down through the presets. And I think this is going to be really useful for collaboration, but also for small control rooms as well. So there you go, that's how we edit our preset layouts in CORIOview Dynamic mode. Thanks for watching now, bye bye.